In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete OneDrive files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, select the right items, and remove them safely from your storage. First, open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft OneDrive website. This is the simplest place to manage your cloud files from any device. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button at the top right and click it. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your files. If you use OneDrive for work or school, sign in with that account instead. After you're signed in, you'll land on your OneDrive home. Navigate to the Files or My Files view, which is where your folders and documents are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right location, especially if you use shared libraries or have multiple folders. If needed, use the search bar at the top to find the specific file or folder you want to delete. Next, select the item you want to remove. You can click once to highlight a single file or use the checkboxes to select multiple items at once. If you're on a touch device, a long press usually selects the item. You'll notice the top toolbar changes as soon as something is selected. With your item selected, click the Delete option in the toolbar. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a trash bin icon or a labeled button. If you don't see it immediately, click the three-dot More menu to reveal additional actions and choose Delete from there. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to delete the selected items. Review the list one more time, then confirm by clicking Delete. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures you don't remove something you still need. A quick tip: in most cases, deleted items are moved to your OneDrive recycle bin first rather than being permanently erased. That means you can restore them if you change your mind within the retention period, which is typically up to 30 days for personal accounts and maybe longer for work or school accounts. If you're tight on storage, you can empty the recycle bin later to free up space, and that's it. You've signed in, selected your files or folders, deleted them, and confirmed the action. Repeat the same steps to remove additional items, and remember to double check what you select before confirming. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you clean up your OneDrive quickly and confidently.